How to download Google AI Studio on your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to download Google AI Studio on your phone. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to know that it is not available on Play Store or App Store. So you are going to have to go ahead and open up any web browser, then simply search for Google AI Studio. Once you search for it, click on the first link that you see here, aistudio.google.com. Once you open it up, here, all you have to do now is accept to the terms and conditions, tap on continue, then tap on the three dots at the top right. From here, all you have to do is tap on this option to add it to your home screen and tap on install. So what it's going to do is it's basically going to install this website's application that will easily redirect you over to the website. So let me just wait for a bit, and once it's installed, it should be available on your home screen. So as you can see here, it's installing. Now once your app is installed, it should be available here. So you can go ahead and paste it wherever you want. And if you tap on it, it's directly gonna open up Google AI Studio's app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.